When we look at pull down or also pull up resistor, it's important to note that if we just look at pull down resistors first, a pull down resistor is often attached to the input of a gate. So before the gate with the input, and if it's a pull down resistor, it will pull the input to the gates low when a switch is opened. And in contrary, when it's a pull up resistor, it's going to pull the input to the gate high when the input switch is open. So let's say we have some gate right here, right? And we have two inputs. If it's a pull up resistor, let's also make sure that we have our inputs as A and B, something like this. We have some voltage going through it. Pull up is going to pull the input of the gate like this. And so that is pulling the input of the gate high when the switch is open. And then if it's pulled down, like how we have in the question here, it's going to pull the input down towards the ground. So it's going to keep the signal line. Well, let's look through all of these. To keep the voltage at 1 volt, that's not 100% sure. To make sure the digital line is always high, well, if it was being pulled up, we would have to deal with high, but since it's being pulled down, we don't need to deal with this. And then we have to keep the signal tied high until the line is active, goes low. And if I'm understanding the answer correctly, this would be the answer, because it's saying the signal is going to be high until the line is active, goes low. So when our line is active, or when I say the switch is open, our gates is the input is gonna go low. So A should be the answer, if I'm understanding it correctly, for this one.